Representing the category of Buganda, the Speaker of the Buganda Luchiko Owechitiibwa Patrick Luwaga Mugumbule officially launched the Bulletin, sending a strong message of unity and support in spreading the gospel across the nation.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amafeffette.
On behalf of the category of Buganda, Owechitiibwa Patrick Luwaga Mugumbule, the Speaker of Buganda Great Luchiko at Buganda Kingdom, congratulated Church of Uganda Family TV for the achievement made, stating the message in which the Amafeffette news bulletin is meant to convey.
So it is today when you have launched, and I represented the category of Luganda. So we have been raising the Family TV owned by Church of Uganda for this great achievement, because they have been on air for quite a long time, but this is an addition to enrich their news bulletin. They have been circulating all over the world. They have been listening to this television bulletin, but now this is a new product which has come in and specifically aired in Luganda, one of the local languages, actually spoken by many.
He urged all members of the public to support and uplift each other as we spread the gospel across the nation.
To inform the public that the news that will be aired by this Amafeffette is spiritual, basically, because this TV belongs to the church. So basically it is spiritual, and to advise most of the Ugandans to love one another, because basically that's the message. Love one another, respect one another, support one another. So this news, of course, when they circulate around TV stations, this will be the message up close. It's a church message, and it will be uplifting everyone, and so that eventually we shall achieve better, especially spiritually and through our body building.
The Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, the Right Reverend Dr. Samuel Kaziimba Mugalu, appreciated Owechitiibwa Patrick Luwaga for attending the event on behalf of the category. He further appreciated everyone for making it to the event.
Let us support our own television. Era njagala okusaba abantu ba Katonda mwenna ekintu bwe kiba ekirungi mukitwalenga mu maaso.
He urged everyone, especially Christians, to support Church of Uganda Family TV, adding that all good things must be appreciated and given support.
Ze Katonda olwa Katikkiro ng'ayita mu bubaka gwe yatumidde omwogezi omukulu, omukubiriza w'olukiiko olukulu olwa Buganda, tumwebaze nnyo nnyini ddala olw'okutugulirawo Amafeffette gaffe. Tumukubire mu ngalo. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala namwe mwenna olw'okujja.